Thanks for coming back and checking out another video. I've got a quick parcel come through the post, and I don't recognise the postcode ending in 8JJ. I thought that was Jason Jarvis. I wasn't expecting anything off of Jason, I don't think, but yeah, it is. It's a challenge lock. It's a Vita Xbmods. There's a key. I wonder if I'll be able to get that. I ain't going to be able to get that in. No, I can't get that in. It's not going to be long enough. Yeah, thanks for that, Jason. I can't remember if you said that you were going to send it to me or not, but I'm really pleased. It's your third challenge lock, and Xbmods, it does make a decent challenge lock, unless might as well give this one a go now, just to see how we get on. Not sure how that change is going to affect it in the vice. I don't want to break the the key ring, so I'm just going to take that off temporarily. Only because when I do it up in the vice, it might crush the chain. So there's the key ring. There's the key. Let's try and get a bit more focus on this. It's always more pressure doing a out the packet pick, but we'll see how we get on. And I'm going to go. I'm going to give my pick a run out today. My first DIY pick with the copper handle from Wes Picks.
You can book your flight, hotel, car hire and activities all in one place. Everything you need to go. Expedia, at all protected. At more UK locations than anyone else, whatever the mission, enterprise.
There we go. That was a tricky little bugger, but we got there in the end. Pretty pleased with that. Thanks for sending me that, Jace. I'm going to gut it, so let me just get my kit. I can lock it back up. So there we go, and it does work lovely.
Easter weekend comes at E4. Friday at 9, Jennifer Lawrence in a rebellion that could change the world. Hunger Games, Mockingjay Part 1. Saturday, Bruce Willis, a traffic jam and a taxi driver who loves to sing but can't. A good day to Die Hard at 9. Easter Sunday, 7:20, Tommy Lee Jones, the only person who can save the galaxy. almost finished. Good morning.
Wow, Dad, don't you look that? The antiques deal.
Oh, we're going to have another fucking fight with the circlip, I can tell.
Here we go.
Kids, you know the drill. Give us the room.
Come on, this is pure gold. I gotta get this on tape.
You stay, Mommy.
I stay.
Please help me talk some sense into this man. Mom's been gone for 2 years. He's dated at least 5 different women. We've been over 2,000.
Saying something that's
We have time you felt special. And who doesn't wear it? To work.
hey, what's the name? Is that 20
There we go, that's got it. Now you can see everything needed to be peaked. And I can see there's been some work done there to the core. Wow. There is some lovely pin work I've done on this. I'll show you those in a moment. Let's so 1 is standard, 2 is standard, 3 is standard. I think that's thread, yeah, threading in 4, standard in 5, and threading in 6. And let's have a look what pins. We got some amazing pin work in here. Four is standard by the looks of it. Got really nice pin work there in 5. Really nice. Well, they're all nice, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to no, it's not, don't really focus very well, this camera. But I will take some pictures at the end, so you will be able to see. Let's see what we got up top. Get the shim out. Sneaky buggers put different pins in all the chambers so far in the Bible. Beautiful. Really, really nice pins. I don't think there's been any work done to it in the Bible. Not that I can see. And let's see if we can zoom down into them pins a little bit. It's not really zooming in very well. You can see we've got some really, really beautiful pin work there. Really, really nice. And I know this camera is nowhere near doing it justice. But I will take some pictures at the end. Really, really beautiful. That is a great challenge lock, mate, and I really appreciate you sending me that, mate, honestly. And I'll see what you want me to do with it, but hopefully I'll be forwarding this on to another picker very soon. And thanks for watching.